Southwesterly winds are causing a definite warming trend to take shape out over the central and southern plains, and an area of California today had persistent haze and smoke, reducing visibility considerably throughout much of the west coast area. Tampa, our radar now shows no showers anywhere within its maximum range of 215 miles. Current Tampa temperatures 52 degrees, St. Petersburg Clearwater Airport 55, humidity 62%. The barometer at our studios is 30 and 21/100 inches and is rising. Channel 13's wind measuring system shows mostly north-northeasterly winds at about 6 miles an hour. And our forecast calls for continual fair, rather cold tomorrow morning, 42, high tomorrow 71, low the following morning 50. That's the latest on the weather picture. More weather tonight on Pulse at 11.
Roy Leep's weather programs display the seal of approval of the American Meteorological Society.
Our computer shows the wind flow at 20,000 feet across the nation tonight, and you can see southwesterly winds coming up over the southeast. That's bringing the tropical moisture northward ahead of strong northwesterly winds, and that's generated a cold air push all the way south to the Rio Grande. So a combination of that cold front coming in from the west and the warm, moist tropical air coming up has led to the abundance of clouds and the rain that's in progress over much of the east. Temperature this morning, 57, 3 degrees above normal, 80 this afternoon, 5 degrees above normal. Records range from 23 to 87 on this date. Currently at our Tampa studios it's 76, the St. Petersburg Bayfront the same, humidity is 89%, and the barometer is steady at 29 and 99/100 inches. The winds will be turning more towards the southwest and increasing, and we look for small craft advisories to be posted from Tarpon Springs north now, and they may be extended on down the coast later tonight or early tomorrow morning. Shifting winds by late tomorrow. Pollution concentration about average, 50,000. Bay temperature now stands at 67 in the Gulf, at Egmont Key at 69. And our forecast calls for some scattered showers tonight and tomorrow, then windy and colder on Friday. 65 tomorrow morning, around 72 tomorrow afternoon, and near 49 on the next morning. So colder weather is in sight. Well, I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving Day, and hope you'll join me and my family as we thank God and praise God for His multitude of blessings on that day. And Governor, I hope you have a relaxing holiday after all this work. You're going to need it, I guess.
Well, thank you very much, Roy. I look forward to spending the holiday with my family, too.
Very good.
Broadcast carries the seal of approval of the American Meteorological Society.
Tampa's temperature today, 83 degrees, within 1 degree of equaling the record. And MacDill Air Force Base reached 84 degrees. And as we pointed out, there were a few sprinkles and showers around, and the clouds continue to increase, as does the humidity. In our satellite pictures, you can see it's kind of a detached area of clouds right down over Florida. Then there's a break, and then another large mass of clouds that we were looking at earlier up here over the southeastern states. Now, those clouds are associated with an approaching cold front. These have developed out of the warm, moist tropical air which has been circulating up into the state. In fact, you can watch during the morning hours, look at the clouds continuing to come up from the Florida Straits, adding moisture, and then you can see the showers developing, these bright areas of clouds that develop out here over the Loop Current, and then the closer ones to the west coast of Florida. Rain is still in progress now across parts of west central Florida, and it looks as though it'll be off and on with really a few showers in the forecast picture probably right on through Saturday, but we're not looking for any real big heavy amounts of rain, nor will the rain be too widespread, and we can use a little moisture here and there. 57 at Atlanta. Currently at our Tampa studios, under cloudy skies, 74, 72 at the St. Petersburg Bayfront, humidity 81%, and the barometer rising 30 and 1/1500 inches. The wind, north-northwest at 4, bay water is 61, the Gulf 59. Few showers tonight, 63 tomorrow, partly cloudy with a few showers, 82 Saturday, little change, 82 again. The weekend may be just slightly cooler for the beginning of next week, but temperature's still way up above normal.
Kind of nice to be the envy of the entire nation,
isn't it, though?
Yes.
Thumb your nose at those snows.
Don't gloat. Now, that's not nice. Roy, thanks.
Roy Leep, the area's foremost television meteorologist, experienced, trusted, and
The storm force, Roy.
Thank you, Kelly. A reconnaissance aircraft which has been in the storm tonight indicates that the central pressure has dropped about 1/4 of an inch since earlier this evening, indicating that some further intensification is taking place. It also indicates that there is a good radar presentation on their screen, which also indicates better organization. The 8 o'clock position was kind of a repositioning of what the 6 o'clock was. That's why if you're plotting the storm, you'll notice a slight jog to the north. 23.6 north, 74.9 west, still moving on generally a west-northwest course at 10 miles an hour. Here's what the satellite pictures show tonight. You can certainly see a huge mass of clouds. Miami is located right here. The distance is closing at about 10 miles an hour. Now, we'll have updated information throughout the hour tonight on exactly what Aaron is up to. Back to you.
Okay, thank you, Roy. Of course, Roy will stay here all night following the storm.
We also have crew.
Up by CBS News correspondent with the globe.
Its position is about 130 miles to the east of San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we just lost our area, even though it is still moving to the west-northwest.
So back to Roy to get our first forecast of the night. Hi, Roy.
Hello, Kelly. It was a dry day, and tonight it is dry. Continuing, our forecast calls for generally fair skies tonight.
A very well-known and trusted voice in Tampa Bay for decades. A legend, a pioneer, and a giant in weather reporting. Longtime WTVT chief meteorologist Roy Leep. He passed away today. It's a sad day for all of us in our Fox 13 family.
No doubt about that. Longtime viewers will know Roy was with Channel 13 for 40 years. Really amazing.
And only 3 chief meteorologists in the history of the TV station.
Wow.
It was Charlie Stump, 57 to 59, and then Roy, 59 to 97, and then me, 97 to now. I mean, that is absolutely unheard of in the business, and this really is a sign of continuity, and viewers like to see, you know, the same faces for a while. I think that's...
Yes, it did. There's a picture. I was side by side with Roy for almost a decade, and
you look great.
No, that's kind of a, but it's a classic picture, and I found that I was like, oh, it's the memories. But you know, he was a great colleague and just professional on and off the air. Yeah. Just an amazing person. And I remember, Paul, when you took over for him like it was yesterday.
Yeah, it's good to see also Andy Hardy in that
picture.
Oh, yeah, I miss Andy a lot.
And
your legends there in that picture for sure.
Frank and
Frank.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're celebrating his life today in prayers with his wife Jane and his family.
On the first day of hurricane season, we must add, and the first day of meteorological summer.